Getting smarter isn't about being born gifted. It's about how you train your mind every single day. Your brain is like a living forge. Every challenge, every failure, and every spark of curiosity is the heat that shapes it. Most people wait for motivation to strike, but intelligence grows in quiet, consistent effort. Read daily. Not just what entertains you, but what stretches you. Read things that make you uncomfortable or confused, and don't run from that feeling. That confusion is growth trying to happen. Ask questions that go deeper than what and when. Start asking why and how. The smartest people aren't those who have all the answers, but those who never stop asking better questions. Train your focus like a muscle. In a world drowning in distractions, the person who can pay attention wins. Practice deep work. Turn off your phone, close the tabs, and give your brain the gift of silence. Spend an hour thinking about a single idea until it opens itself to you. Reflect on what you learn every night, because information without reflection is noise. Write things down. Your brain remembers better when your hands move. Don't just read for knowledge. Connect ideas across fields. Learn how music links to math, how psychology ties to business, how biology mirrors technology. The more dots you connect, the faster your mind becomes at seeing patterns others miss. Feed your brain like an athlete feeds their body, with challenge, rest, and the right fuel. Sleep isn't laziness. It's when your brain files everything you've learned. Eat clean, drink water, move your body. Intelligence isn't trapped in your head. It's tied to your health. Talk to people smarter than you and don't feel threatened. Feel inspired. Every conversation is a chance to steal a bit of wisdom. And when you teach what you know, your understanding deepens. So teach, explain, and share. Not to impress, but to reinforce your own learning. Above all, stay curious. Curiosity is the fire that keeps intelligence alive. The smartest people I've met aren't just clever. They're endlessly fascinated by the world. They see every mistake as data, every failure as feedback, and every question as a door waiting to be opened. Getting smarter isn't a destination. It's a lifelong experiment with your own mind. So keep learning, keep questioning, and never stop training your brain to wonder.